All right, Morgan, so what are some of the biggest wins that you've had with distributor partners that you've partnered with this year that you could share?
Yeah, absolutely. We've had really great success stories with a lot of great gas distributors, and we really do owe that to GAWDA. We've had such a great partnership here. We're really honored to be a member of this association. If I had to pinpoint some wins specifically, I would pinpoint wins with gas distributors like West Air and CK Supply, who we've really helped not only in safeguarding their staff and their facility staff with our gas detection safety monitors, but we've also been able to integrate our new gas safety service offerings with these customers. So not only are they protecting their staff, but they're also increasing their bottom line with these new services. So I would say those are some great wins.
Fairly recently, we introduced Gas Labs to the GAWDA membership. So can you talk about the difference between Gas Labs and CO2Meter's other products and how GAWDA members can really benefit from those products?
Yeah, absolutely. This was a really great launch for us. It really opened a lot of new doors for us, specifically with GAWDA, with gas distributors and welding professionals alike. The difference between the two is we have CO2Meter, where we have a lot of standalone gas safety monitors that can measure across single gases like CO2 and oxygen, for example. With the new industrial gas detection line, Gas Lab, we actually just recently partnered with our partners at Equigas, who are now offering this line. And what it does is it opens the door to a lot more applications that are out there that range with gases like toxics, combustibles, and hazardous gases like propane and hydrogen. A lot of gases these distributors are using at fill plants where they have multiple points. This new industrial gas detection line can monitor across over 128 different gases. So really the opportunities are endless, and we're able to meet a lot of different environments, a lot of harsh, aggressive environments for these gas distributors. So it opens the door to a lot of new markets and applications that we couldn't get into before. And we're proud to partner with Equigas on that.
Perfect. So other than the Gas Labs, do you have any new and exciting product offerings that you've launched this year, or anything else that you're really excited about for the rest of 2025?
Yeah, we've had some really great milestones this year already in Q1. We've been able to launch a lot of new gas safety solutions, like our RAD PMU, for example. We call it our power monitor unit, and what it's designed to do is it's designed to indicate if there's a loss of power to your facility or a loss of power to the essential gas safety monitors. As we know, safety is our forefront, and you don't want to be unprotected and not know.
Right.
So this device is going to give gas distributors that ability to know if there's a loss indication in power failure. And this also meets a lot of the new code requirements. So we're glad that we're able to get in front of that and offer that to our gas distributors. Outside of just the RAD PMU, we've also been able to launch a new product called the RAD CDU, which is a central display unit. This also gives us a little bit more of a range in being able to monitor and see across 12 different gas sensor points, both for either CO2 and oxygen, all on one unit. So we're able to launch these two new products just this Q1, and we've been able to see some great results and great feedback from our gas distributors on both of those products. So a lot of new launches, a lot of new opportunities already. So we're proud of them.
Perfect. Is there anything else that you wanted to leave viewers with today, or anything that GAWDA members or viewers of this might not know about CO2Meter that you can kind of leave us with before we go?
Yeah, so excitingly enough, next year is actually going to be our 20th year anniversary. I am super stoked. We're actually going to be doing an exclusive networking event specifically for gas distributors and a lot of GAWDA members. So be sure to keep an eye out for that. That's going to be early 2026. There's going to be a lot of buzz about it, so stay tuned.
Awesome. Well, Morgan, thank you so much. Thank you for everything you do for GAWDA and GAWDA Media, and we appreciate your time today.
Absolutely. Thank you.